This is how a typical market setup goes for us. Even though this one was super last minute and we got in from the waitlist, it was a local market, which is a nice break from the last anime convention we did. Lately, I've been pushing myself out of my comfort zone and vendoring more in person. And it used to take forever for me and my partner to set up our table, but after so many markets, we've got it down to a system. If you've ever done a market, you know that little wave of anxiety right before it starts? I still get that feeling every time, being a very introverted and anxious overthinker. But it's always worth it when people stop by just to see my keycaps. It's such a rewarding feeling and it makes all the prep totally worth it. Thanks for coming along. See you at the next market.